presenting the Dodge 2015 Challenger RT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, GPS antenna input, Harman radio manufacturer, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, media hub, SD, USB, O, and radio data system. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.